So here we have the Packout Plate. Pretty good gauge steel. Got some bends in it, multiple holes, so multiple tractor configurations. This is the U-bolt that he sends when you order it for the loader arm. There is also a, you can also order it for the ROPS, and those have smaller U-bolts. So I bought one for the TYM here, and I bought one for the LS, and we'll install the LS one later. I'm going to go ahead and install this, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off the plate that comes with the TYM. That was what the original toolbox was on. I went ahead and put a ammo box on it, but I've got many Packout things. I carry a first aid kit in a Packout, and I could carry all the tools that are with this tractor. And transporting it back and forth to Tennessee will help too, because I want to be able to, all the tools that I've normally have been keeping up here, I got a bunch of tools that I was keeping up here. Well, when I put it on a trailer, I got to go ahead and take all of them off, and I put them in a Packout anyway. So why not go ahead and just put a Packout bracket on, and then I'll put a Packout here. So I've got the bracket off with the ammo case, and that was a 12 millimeter bolt that was screwed in. These got threads in them. So now we're going to go ahead and put on the bracket for the Packout. So this was a pretty simple install. You have the U-bolt that goes around the loader arm, and then you have lock washer, flat washer, lock washer, and a nut, and those are 19 millimeter. So I've got that on. Let's go get a Packout and see what it looks like. So here I have my first aid Packout. So that goes on there real well. Let's go get the ammo box type Packout, and obviously it'll be a lot taller, but at least we'll have a big toolbox on the tractor. And what's kind of nice is, while it comes out further than the tire, it's not too bad. So it does come out further than the tire, but man, is it going to give me a lot of more storage space, more flexible storage space. Okay, so here we have it with the big ammo can. You could put the half cooler on there. We could even put, now I've got my first aid kit and my ammo can out there. So I'll be able to fit a lot more tools in there, and I could put tools in there for certain jobs, right? So I could have a Packout, or take a drill or something else in a different Packout on the top. But whatever that I'm doing, I could have a Packout with chainsaw accessories or something like that, and just stack it on top. So that there is what the ITC Quick Attach Packout Plate for your loader arm looks like. I'll put a link in the description to this product from ITC. Again, like I said earlier, not sponsored. I bought this with my own money.